guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a daily goodie box to unbox for you guys. I'm really excited because this is my first one, and the way to get one of these is to interact on their social media. So when they're posting, you can like and comment and share. Sometimes I even see people do like hashtag daily goodie box, so they'll kind of like recognize their comment. So hopefully there will be so many more, because these boxes always seemed really cool to me. There's usually a lot of natural products in there, so that's right up my alley. And let's just go ahead and get started. I have a little note here, and let's see. First thing I see is these Benitos white bean chips, sweet chili and sour cream. That sounds really good. High fiber, 6 grams of protein. Awesome. Let's check the calories. 170 calories. That's awesome. I will definitely be trying these out. They sound really good. And also it's hard for me to get in my protein, so I'm definitely going to be probably snacking on these today. These are really cool because when you're trying to mix your protein shake, sometimes you can get some stuck in the bottom. But with this, you just shake it up and it aerates it, so it mixes it way better. And this is the EBoost Wake Up Your Water. So that is really cool. Awesome. From EBoost. Okay, so this is a PAL pre-workout tropical punch. Okay, so this goes with the shaker, performance support, joint mobility support, energy and focus. Okay, cool. Supercharge your performance. Oh, nice. Gluten-free, allergen-free, soy-free, and non-GMO. No artificial flavors, colors, or sweeteners. That's awesome. Okay, so that goes with this. Nice. Herbal Zap. Ancient wisdom that's good to go. Be soothed. Digestive. Be restored. Oh, okay, so these are the ones that they have. But this is the one that I received, which is the immune support. Oh, good. Because right now, you know, it's the winter time and colds are going around. So, oh, awesome. Has a little information about each one. It kind of looks like one of those emergency packs. So let's take it off and see how you do it. For year-round immune support, dissolve 1 to 2 packets in 6 ounces of hot or cold water. Okay, cool. Gluten-free, vegan, kosher, the whole deal. Awesome. Okay, so the next thing I see is this Bizzy coffee shot, black coffee. It's a little 2-ounce shot. So it's cold brewed, ethically sourced, BPA free, 2 shots of espresso. That ought to perk you right on up when you're feeling tired. I love that there's only literally 2 ingredients. That is so awesome. And you just, I guess you just drink it like a, yeah, just like a shot. Sip, shoot, or add to 6 ounces of water, I guess, if it's too strong for you. So that is really cool. I definitely need to pop this in my suitcase for some of those days when I'm traveling and I'm just so tired. I didn't get enough sleep the night before. So that's cool. There's a chance to win a free case of these. Awesome. So, okay, cool. I'll definitely try that out. And let's see, what is this little thing? Oh, there's like another, a free sample. Awesome. Nellie's All Natural Wow Stick Stain Remover. Oh, cool. Okay. So it's a natural stain remover. And let's see how to use it. Wet the Wow Stick Rub gently on stain. Agitate the stain under water. Launder using Nellie's all natural laundry soap. I think I actually have heard of this brand before. I've just never used it before. So that is cool. And there's the ingredients, if you want to pause and look at them. RawRev Glow, radiance from the inside out. Double chocolate brownie batter. Ooh, that sounds good. And 12 grams of protein. I'm loving the protein theme here because, like I said, I do not get enough protein in my diet. So this would be awesome. Bar with raw superfoods. Okay. Awesome, awesome. A vegan company. Okay, so it's vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO. Awesome. This is a supplement called Napz. Everybody needs them. Short-term sleep aid. Oh, that's awesome. Because, yeah, sometimes I just need a nap. I don't need to take a melatonin and sleep for 8 hours. I just need like a little hour nap. For episodes of short-term sleeplessness. Awesome. These will definitely be put to good use. Alright guys, so this is the last that was in the box. So I just went ahead and took it out. So this is Beauty is Renewal Face Cream Andalou Naturals. And it is probiotic plus C renewal cream. Nice. Buy one get one free of the brownie batter or just the RawRev bars. So if I really like them, I'm definitely gonna get some more, and this coupon will help. And then $1 off of the Benitos as well. Awesome. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I'll have another box for you next month. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And bye.